Have you ever wondered how to grow pumpkins from store-bought seeds? It's an exciting venture that yields fresh, organic pumpkins right from your backyard. Imagine the thrill of harvesting your own produce. So, let's dive right in and unravel the secrets of growing pumpkins from store-bought seeds. Your journey to growing pumpkins starts with choosing the right seeds. It's crucial to select high-quality seeds from a reputable store. Choose a pumpkin variety that thrives in your climate for the best results. With the right seeds in hand, you're ready to embark on your pumpkin growing adventure. Now it's time to plant your pumpkin seeds and provide them with the care they need. Start by choosing a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Plant the seeds 1 inch deep, 2 feet apart. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Regularly add compost or a balanced fertilizer to support healthy growth. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and address any issues promptly to keep your plants healthy. Remember, patience is key when growing pumpkins. It might take a while, but the results are worth the wait. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to harvest your pumpkins. You'll know they're ripe when they're a deep, solid color and the rind is hard. Use a sharp tool to cut, not pull, the stem about 2 inches from the pumpkin. To store, keep them in a dry, well-ventilated area at around 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid stacking or touching to prevent rot. With these tips, you can enjoy your homegrown pumpkins for months to come. Growing pumpkins from store-bought seeds isn't as daunting as it might seem. We've walked through the process, from choosing the right seeds to caring for your young plants, and finally, to reaping the fruits of your labor. There's nothing quite like the joy of harvesting your own pumpkins, so why not give it a try? Share your pumpkin growing journey. We'd love to hear about your experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!